Good morning, everybody. I'm back. Another stash update. Had a nice time last night, man. Went up to PA. Went to a demo night last night. Picked up all this stuff. Went to a swap meet last night. It's pretty cool. But let's get it started. Got a whole case of Swarm. It's a nice cake right here. Whole case of Swarm. I got a mixed case, a T-Rex, and Mr. Rex. Got a mixed case. That's cool. I was able to get a mixed case. That's cool. Alright, so a mixed case of that. Virus T. Full case. Another full case. Virus T. Another full case. It's one of the best 6-1s, man. Got a half a case of Crockbite. It's a pretty nice one. I don't know, man. These things is getting a little bit lighter, man. I don't know. When they first came out, they was heavy, but they light now, man. The performance is still okay, but you know how that go, man. They water everything down. But it's alright. Goodbye. Then I got the 12-shot Demon Pack mix. So you get 4 cakes. You get 3 of each. Mic drop. You get a nice rack. You get Kick-Ass. And you get third base. This is a pretty good 4-pack here, man. For real, for real. And it's a good price point, more bang for your buck. Come over here now. Got these resurrection shells. Pyro Demon. Pretty nice. Going to the 1-1s now. Move this out the way. You already know what time it is, fellas. Had to get another one again this year. Had to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Optimus. Oh yeah. Had to get another one, baby. It's one of my favorite cakes right here. This board size is crazy. The noise is crazy. The height is crazy. The brakes are crazy. It's just it. I'll tell you that, it's it. Next, got a full case. Trumps, baby. 100 shots. Let's get it. 100 shots of Trump. Come 3-1. Not too many people got these 100 shots. Everybody got the 25 shots. But we got these 100 shots over here. Coming with that force. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna be outside this year. Yep. Got some hitters this year, boy. Masterpiece. Not another masterpiece, because another masterpiece, I don't like that one. But this is it right here. Fast pace, but it's a hard hitter, and the cake is heavy. This cake is heavy. I was picking this up, I was like, damn, it shocked me. And that, last but not least, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. The big boy. I like this better than all are these big boy cakes. Better than Godzilla, better than Jubilee, better than all of them, because they got mixed effects. When you get mixed effects, that's when the cake get nice. All those single effects, I get bored. But this is it, fellas. Stash update. I think this is number 6. And I'm not done. I ain't even halfway done. We going bananas this year. And then next year is going to be super crazy. I'm already thinking about it. It's crazy because last night at the demo, I was already thinking about next year. Because next year, the 4th is on a Friday. And you know when the 4th is on a weekend, we go super bananas. So I'm excited for 2025 already, fellas. But yeah, let's get it. Yes, sir. Like, comment, and subscribe. VA Pyro out.